Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I was supposed to take you along shopping with me, but it was quite busy at the store, so I decided not to pull out my camera and take you along. Instead, I wanted to show you all the different things that I have gotten thrifting today, from furniture to other things. Most of them are going to be used for DIYs. Some things are just going to be straight out decor. But I did pick up quite a bit of stuff, so I wanted to share it with you. So let's see what I got. So the first thing that I picked up, and this will be a straight makeover and go on Marketplace, and I have a really neat thing that I want to do with it. I already figured it out. There are a couple things, more surface. I think this just needs to be cleaned up. It's an extremely heavy piece, but it's a beautiful piece. I do wish I had somewhere to put it. And then, ouch, this is just came off of the back that I'm gonna have to fix. These are just shelves that got tipped from carrying, so I just have to take them out. I think I'm gonna do something on the inside and the paint. I'm just so excited to do this and share it with you, which will be coming up at some point in February. And then let's look at all of these goodies. So I went to Value Village, and the one that I went to is a little bit more pricier than the others, but they tend to have pretty good stuff. So they have these grab bags, which I love looking through them because they have tons of good stuff. So I picked up these, and I like using these for shelf fillers or vase fillers, but I really liked this. Let me just open it so we can see what's inside. Okay, so we've got these. Like I said, I like using these quite a bit in my decor, and I really liked this. Now, this can be used for so many things. I can unwind it and use it as a garland. I can use it as is, a wreath, or I can use it as a candle, kind of put a tall vase or a candle holder in the middle. Lots of stuff. And all these 3 pieces were $3.99. And then this was a pretty awesome thing I found. So I like buying my my lemons and limes at the secondhand store because they tend to be so much cheaper. So for $3.99, I got 2 lemons, I got 4 limes, and then there's a green apple and some oranges, which they look pretty good. You could totally fill up your fruit bowl with that, but I think this is gonna look really nice in my kitchen. And then I picked up a thing of apples, and they almost feel like they're wooden. And again, this was $3.99. Check this out, more apples, and look how many lemons I got in this one. This one was $3.99 as well. And this one, and I picked this one because of the small limes, because I have small lemons, but I want small limes, but then there's pears and apples here as well. So that's that. And then I picked up this. It's brand new. I don't think it was used. It's to put my sea salt. I like having these beside my stove with some salt in it. It's just handy to have it. And look at these. They were $3 for 2. So there was one set. And then the second set. And I don't even think that they were used. So that's, and then I picked up this basket. It's a very good quality wicker basket. and it's a different shape. I'm going to probably take this off, and it was a little bit on a, well, this one actually was $4, so it wasn't, I guess it wasn't that pricey. And then I took, this is another grab bag that I took this for $5, but I strictly took it for these wood rounds, which I think probably overpaid for this one a little bit. Then I picked up this tin. It is a galvanized tin, and even this was $2, and it even has a little ding on it. I just think it's really pretty. I think it's gonna look good with some maybe decals on it, or as is, or just I'm not gonna paint it or anything, but definitely could do something with it. And then I picked up this. This will definitely going to be a makeover for sure. I just think it's such a nice bowl, and it's gonna look great once it's made over to use in my decor. I did pick this basket up because I love the color of it. I love the shape of it. It's very good quality wicker, and it was $5. And then I picked this up as well, and I thought this was a really nice piece. It's very old looking wood. Don't know if it's actually old, but it's very old looking wood, and this was $3.99. So all in all, I think I did pretty good. I think I spent $60 on all of this, and I spent $75 on this piece, which I thought was a good deal. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. And let me know if you enjoy these type of videos, or if you would like me to take you along and actually show you the different thrift stores that I go to, or dollar stores and things like that. I would love to know if that's something that you would like to see. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.